How to permanently delete apps on iPhone. For that, there is two options that you can apply. The very first one is simply press on the application and hold it for a second. Then this pop-up will be seen. From here, select remove app. There you will see delete app option. If you hit on that, then your app will be deleted permanently. There is also another way you can try. Simply go through the settings. From here, tap on General and go through the iPhone stories. Now from here, choose the application and there you will see delete app option. Simply tap on it and then you are good to go. In this way, you can permanently delete apps on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.